Okay, getting hooked up to this FES bike was a little bit more of a production than I expected. But this is what Arvind has to do every time he uses the system. First of all, you have to put on 10 of these stimulation pads. Now Arvind is hooking them up. Each one gets hooked up to the machine. They electrostimulate specific muscles, parts of the muscles. And then the feet have to be put in with these retaining pads and straps for the feet and the pads. Then the chair itself has to be hooked up, which is a bit of a production. And then these little barbells have to be put behind the wheels as chocks to prevent the wheelchair from going backwards. Now Arvind is hooking up the electrostim, and hopefully, and also interestingly enough, the connectors have to be in a very specific sequence, the left leg and the right leg, and if you mix them up, then the machine goes nuts. So Arvind has a lot of experience with this.
I'm not sure.
But it works out his legs several times a week for 45 minutes a session. When Arvind first got this machine, I felt that he should be doing it every day for like 2 or 3 hours a day. And then I found out through that actually you can easily overdo it, because since he doesn't really have control over his legs, and the feeling that he has, while he has feeling, while he's recovered feeling, it hasn't completely. It's not necessarily the feeling that he had before. It's because the different kinds of feeling. There's several aspects to how you sense and feel temperature and pressure and that sort of thing. In terms of the nervous system,
nerves.
So you can easily damage ligaments and muscles and nerves by overdoing it. So it's quite an interesting apparatus. $15,000, but well worth it. And I think it's partially because of this that he's able to do that program. That he was in good enough shape to do that program with Dr. Sisto at Stony Brook, with the 82-hour sessions over the last year that have given him some possibility of being able to walk again. Maybe.
Mm-hmm.